I'm Eric Andrews, Natural Resource Manager in the Mid-Atlantic region, based in Allentown, Pennsylvania. I'm out at one of our Pennsylvania spring sites today. This is a beautiful headwater stream located on one of our sites that we've studied for over 15 years. And what we've learned about this stream is, while it's beautiful, the water is very clear, the habitat for trout is good, but it's not great. So we undertook a project to enhance the trout habitat in this stream. With over the 15 years of data that we have studying this stream, we've learned that we see higher trout populations in the stream when there are more pool habitat available in the stream for the fish. And the pool habitat can change from year to year depending on the weather conditions. So what we are undertaking here today is an effort to create pool habitat artificially using logs and rocks that will create scour pools downstream from those features, which will provide great habitat for trout. And hopefully in the coming years, after studying the stream further, we will see that the trout population has been enhanced. So at this location, we've installed 2 logs in a V shape. The V is pointing upstream. The logs are anchored into the stream with rebar, and the ends of the logs are embedded into the bank. During the higher flow events, the water will be channelized in the stream at the top of the V and create a scour pool just downstream from it, which will create deeper water, a pool essentially for trout to hang out in during higher flow events to keep from getting washed downstream, or during lower flow events they can get into the bottom of that pool, into the nice cold water and away from predators. So this is ideal habitat for trout in a headwater stream.